Hello everyone, my name is Mike Sherry. I'm with Paul Sherry RVs, and today I'm excited to show you a brand new floor plan that's being offered by Forest River Cherokee. It's the 274BRB travel trailer, double over double bunkhouse. The Cherokee by Forest River has grown into the top produced and retail sold travel trailer in the United States. The reason being is they offer so much value. Time after time, they're the first mover in the industry and offering different amenities and features, and I'll show you some of those today. This is what I would call a 2021 and a half. In other words, this is a little bit different from the earlier 2021s, and this is what the 2022s are going to look like. So let's take a look in here. Still has the aerodynamic front end. You can see it has the juice pack solar panel up on the roof. That's that square black edge you see right there. Comes standard on all Cherokee and Grey Wolf products. Has the power tongue jack, comes standard. 2 propane bottles will be filled. Also comes with the 27 series battery. Typically you find a 24 series battery on travel trailers. This has got a 27 series battery. What that means to you, it's a little bit bigger battery that's going to couple with that solar panel just perfectly. Now the battery and the full propane, that comes at no cost to you. Some dealers will charge you for that, or maybe just fill one propane bottle up and not both. But we at Paul Sherry's, we just figure that part of the sale, and there's no cost to that. Outside shower right here, water fill right here, and it's the 6-gallon lights itself water heater. You flip a switch inside and it'll light itself, and it also has an electrical element on it, so if you want to just use it on electricity and not use your propane up, you can do that. Notice the metal on this is nicely painted. You don't see a lot of decals on the Cherokee products. They instead invest their money and paint the metal. They recognize that painted metal is going to last longer and look better for years to come compared to the decals and stickers. Big storage compartment under here. This is going to be underneath the rear bunk beds. So it's going to be about 4 foot deep and about 7 foot long across here. Here's your dump station right here. Coming up in here, it is an insulated underbelly. Going to protect the undercarriage of this and also allow you to camp in a little bit longer in the year, a little bit earlier in the spring, a little bit later in the fall. Rounded roof up here. Has a travel rack that comes standard feature. The spare tire is an option. You can check out our website right there. With that travel rack, you can put up to 200 pounds of stuff on this. It's great for bicycles. I've seen people put totes of stuff on there. Coolers, it's really good for coolers as well. 2 entry doors on this 274BRB. Also weighs under 6,400 pounds. So you can tow this with a lot of half-ton trucks out there in the industry, which makes it nice. It's got the lease latch here. Can hold up to 1,500 pounds as one strong dog. But also I've seen customers maybe lock their grill or bikes up to that too. So the rear entry goes right into the bathroom. So that's great when you have guests over and they don't have to trample through your whole camper. They can just go right to the bathroom here. This is not your main entry by any means. Also, it's nice if you're out late underneath the awning or out in the campground late at night doing what you do, and you need to go to the bathroom, but people are sleeping inside and you don't want to wake them up, you can just go right here. 2 axles on this. It has the tire pressure monitoring system on it. And also has a deluxe mini camp kitchen, which comes with your outside shower with both hot and cold water, a little tub basin here to wash up stuff in. Also has the ice maker here. You always need ice when you're at the campground. It's nice to have your own ice maker. Has the refrigerator here with a freezer spot in it, and then it has a grill. This is new for 2021 and a half. Actual grill right here. You can grill out your hot dogs or hamburgers, or maybe you're more the veggie burger person. You can do all that right out here. Outside speakers, it's going to play your music from the radio. I'll show you inside. Outside mount for a television. Comes from the factory. You can mount your TV right there. Has the electric, and so here what we have coaxial cable, which is going to be either you're hooked into cable at the campground or you're running off the antenna up on the roof that this comes with. And then this is a video port there. And the main entry has the more ride entry steps, 3 entry steps to get up in, and also the big grab handle. Both doors are upgraded for this year. They're a glass door, really sleek. This is not fiberglass, that's actual glass. Really looks good when it's you know, you stand back a little bit from it, really looks sharp. What's nice about the glass, it's not going to fade like the black would do. That's your controller there for your solar panel, that juice package I was telling you about. Good storage underneath here. That goes all the way up underneath the queen bed up front. A power awning on this as well also comes standard. One thing you'll notice about the Cherokee, and I did a video on this just the other day, is that they offer so much standard. I talked to the brains behind the Cherokee product, and he said, Mike, the way I build our trailers and our fifth wheels is if I recognize that the customer is going to need it when they go camping, I just make it standard. So I like that, and I think a lot of customers appreciate that as well. As you walk in here, walk right into an open floor plan. Have your monitor panel here, control panel. This is to tell you your levels of your different tanks by touching these buttons up here. Turn on lights, water heater, water pump controls, run the slide, run also your awning as well. Down through here has the battery disconnect. That's really nice to have with that solar panel. And then as we walk in, what's unique about this particular trailer, typically you get your U-dinette and also your couch in the slide. Well, this trailer is a little shorter, which allows it to be a little bit lighter weight. So in your slide room here, you have your big pantry. You could put a vacuum cleaner or a trash can right there. And then you have your 10 cubic foot Everchill refrigerator. This is a 12-volt refrigerator. Really a good refrigerator. See, it's on right now, just running off the solar package right now. U-dinette, oversized. Underneath the U-dinette, it's got these really large drawers. I think they're 4 foot long, super deep. So what the competition does to get underneath there, you have to tear apart these cushions and pull a piece of wood, and you got to mount the, balance the wood on your head to get underneath there. This has just got the drawer. Super convenient. Big windows. All the windows here have these zebra blinds, which I like. Every time I touch them, they work, and one of these times they might not, but every one so far has worked, which in the RV industry, blinds, so not all the times do they work. Here we've got a couch. So the couch is across from the dinette. What makes this nice is you have good television viewing angle from most of the dinette, and all the couch television is going to mount right here. So picture that. Television mounts right here. New wood color also for this year, and also new grab handles here for your hardware on your drawers and door fronts there. Fireplace down there that doubles as a space heater, right? A new lino also for the 2021 1/2. New countertop color, still the seamless countertop, which allows the sunk-in stainless steel sink. Still the black stainless high-rise faucet, and then also has a soap or a hand sanitizer dispenser. The COVID stage we're in, you can never be clean enough, I guess. All right, 3 burners up top here. Propane stove, has the glass countertop extension over it for when you're not using it. Does come with a backsplash here, so it's going to be easy to keep clean. It also has the glass door so you can see what's inside your oven there. All right, coming back here, it's double over double bunk bed, has the ladder to get up into the top bunk. Really comfortable mattress. It's got the teddy bear finished mattress on it, and I'm 6 foot tall, and I can easily lay down here without having to be angled or anything like that. Both have windows. Both bunks have USB and normal electric. Check out the bathroom. I kind of showed you outside, but you have the big sink, have the mirrored cabinet on an angle, so you look right at it, and there's Mike, And then up here we've got the fan. I love that fan. It's not your dinky fan. It's a nice whole trailer fan. It does have a little bit of tub base down there, so if you have a small pet or small child, you can give them a bath. And then, of course, your shower and skylight in here. Also has a spot to hang up some towels there. All right, let's check out the master bedroom. I love that it's separate. Master bedroom separate. You don't have to walk around, nothing to get in there. So what we're going to get in here behind this door is a walk around on all 3 sides bed. So whether you're sleeping on this side or that side, you're going to be able to get out, hopefully without waking up whoever you're sleeping beside. hanging closet. Enough room down here to fold up some clothes and put in there. And then just like the bunks, we have USB and normal electric. Now, underneath the bed, there's more storage, which we kind of saw from the outside. And then over here, this is a nice feature. So it has a couple open shelves and then a couple closed shelves. Exit window here, so nice to have that for safety reasons. And both sides of the bed, there's power and a little bit of nightstand to put your stuff. So, well, that completes this walkthrough on this 274. This is the BRB. Not to be confused with Be Right Back. This is the BRB though. Maybe that's how you can remember. I like this floor plan. We've had a few in this year, but like everything this year, it's gone super fast. So I finally got one in stock. It's the new 2021.5. So this is what the 22s will look like without the price of the 22s. Remember that. I'll post some links below. I'm done jabbering. So thanks for watching. Go out, give someone a good smile and say hello today.